Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I am going to show you my latest makeup haul. I have got few products from the Instagram store, makeup_mistress111. I'll put the link anywhere here. They have wonderful stuffs from affordable cosmetics like Miss Claire, In Color, Sivana. Also, they sell replicas of famous high-end brands like Kylie Cosmetics and MAC. I have shopped a few products from the Instagram store, and also I just wanted to let you know that I have crossed 500 subscribers on my YouTube as well as 5,000 followers on Instagram. So it's time for a giveaway. If you want to participate in the giveaway, please keep on watching the video, and there will be a surprise giveaway at the end of the video, and there will be two prizes this time. So if you want to participate, just keep on watching. So without further delay, let's move over to the haul. First thing I would like to show you is the HQT Fast Hair Straightener. This is actually a hairbrush which you have to plug in, and it will get heated and it will work as a straightener as and when you are brushing your hair. So this is how it looks like, and this is the plug, and these are the bristles. So it's very soft, and once you apply your comb like that, when it gets heated, your hair turns straight and looks beautiful straight, and it's a really good product, especially for people like me, because I have a baby at my home, so I really don't have time to use a proper hair straightener or something like that. So it's the first product that I have got from them. The second things that I have got are these set of In Color liquid lipsticks. So I don't have to talk much about In Color, because all of us know that In Color is a really good brand, and it produces wonderful liquid lipsticks. These are very famous, very affordable, stay for a long time, and the color payoff is amazing. So yes, I've got 6 products. I'm not going to show the colors because I'm going to do a separate video for this and show you the swatches there. So yes, this was the second thing. The third thing was these 9 lip crayons, and I have got 5 shades of this. Again, if you want, I'm going to show these swatches in a video or on my blog. So just let me know in the comment section below whatever you want to see. But these are amazing. I mean, I have swatched once, and the color payoff is very good. I don't know how long is it going to stay, because I have not applied it on my lips yet, but I'm going to do it very soon, and probably I'm going to do a review of it, so stay tuned. So this is the third one. The fourth one, and my favorite one, is this Miss Claire Baked Eyeshadow. And actually this is called an eyeshadow, but the color is so good, it's so beautiful, that I'm going to use it as a highlighter. This is the one. Such a beautiful shade. I mean, I cannot get enough of it. It's so pigmented. Look at this. So yes, I'm going to use it as a highlighter. And also, going by the recent trend of glitter lips and glitter makeup, I have got a set of glitters from them. So these are like amazing, and yeah, I'm going to do a blog post, or I'm going to do a demo or look with all these glitters, so I'm not going to show you the shades. Yeah, so this was my cute little haul from Instagram. So this was from, as I said, this is from the Instagram store makeup_mistress111. So if you want to get stuffs like this and many more, they have like many things to offer, and they have great offers, great discounts. Their price is also very affordable, and most importantly, like the packaging is very good. I have never found any product that has leaked or that has come with a bad packaging, broken or anything like that. Never. So now coming to the giveaway, um, there will be two prizes for the giveaway. First prize hamper consists of a straightening brush, Miss Claire lip cream, Miss Claire shimmer brick, and Miss Claire baked eyeshadow, and the fourth thing will be a juice nail paint. This is the first prize hamper, and the second prize hamper is going to be again a Miss Claire baked eyeshadow or highlighter, Miss Claire lip cream, Miss Claire shimmer brick, and a juice nail paint. So the second prize winner gets all the makeup stuffs. These are the prizes. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, to comment in the comment section below, mentioning your email address and the city you are from. And also, if you want to say something to me, you can comment that. Also, it would be great if you follow me on all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my blog. So these are the rules to participate in my giveaway. Put everything in the description box below. Please go ahead and check and try to follow every rule. Unless or until you follow all the mandatory rules, your entry will not be considered. So yes, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos every time. I have crossed 500 subscribers. It's a big thing for me. Thank you very much from my heart. I was able to cross this milestone just because of you. If you have liked the video, please keep on watching for more. Subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Thank you. Love you.